Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'm using Cover Pink by Young Nails, Mia's Secret Monomer, and my number 16 Penna Kolinsky brush. And I start by picking up my first large bead of acrylic and I place it kind of towards the center of the nail where the tip and the natural nail meet, and then I go ahead and pat that acrylic in place as I work the product down towards the tip of the nail. And I make sure to clean the sidewalls of the nail to keep my shape as much as possible. Next, I place my second bead of acrylic directly above the first. And I make sure to keep those sidewalls in because, again, I want to keep my shape as much as possible. And then I go ahead and feather that acrylic down. Then I pick up a small bead of acrylic for my cuticle bead and I place it directly above the last, but this time I use the tip of my nail brush to push that product back towards the cuticle area, and I make sure I clean up around the cuticle so there's no product touching the skin, and I definitely keep those sidewalls clean. And then I add one more small bead of acrylic towards the tip of the nail because it was missing some product. And you'll notice here that I did change my nail brush. I decided to use my Penna number 12 Kolinsky brush because it's just one of my favorite brushes to use and I'm just so comfortable with it. And last but not least, I'm placing my final bead of acrylic kind of towards the center of the nail where the tip and the natural nail meet. And this bead of acrylic is going to help give my nail structure and build a nice apex for the nail. Then I repeat those same steps on all the nails. So I'll just let you all watch and enjoy. I know that acrylic application is my favorite part of the video. So leave a comment down below what's your favorite part of the nail video.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
Oh, and by the way, these are the extra long squared nail tips, which I did purchase from Amazon. So I'll definitely leave a link in the description down below.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
And these are how the nails turned out. I went ahead and foul shaped and buffed these nails off camera, and they look so cute. And right here I am just polishing the pinky nail as well as the first finger in this maroon gel polish, which I did purchase from Amazon. I believe it's by the brand Lavender, but I'll definitely leave a link down in the description box below.
See us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
And I applied 2 coats of the gel polish and cured, and then I applied 1 coat of top coat, and I cured that for 30 seconds before I went ahead and applied the chrome to the nails.
All I want you to another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that could take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
The chrome turned out so cute, and I went ahead and decided to do some nail art, which is also one of my favorite part about doing nails. You get to be creative and just think outside the box. So you'll see me do that here. I use a bunch of different colors, and I create an abstract design on the first finger and the pinky finger, and it turned out so cute.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you.
And these are how the nails turned out. I ran out of storage, so I was unable to record the last finishing touches, but I love them. They look so cute, and I had so much fun completing this set. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.